people, you know, the people in the house, the family members, you know, we know ourselves. Thank you for coming. First of all, don't mind my brows. I just did them. They are not yet cleaned, so I will do that later. This video is just about highlight and contour. And guys, I am not extra when it comes to contouring and highlighting and doing all the good stuff. I am not extra. I do just the least. Like, I'm just gonna show you the products that I use. Like, let's keep it 100 now. I'm not gonna tell you that I do this. No. And this is how I achieve my looks. If they are flawless to you, then this is how I actually achieve flawless looks. So let's get into the video. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'll prime my face, and I'm using my MAC Prep and Prime, this one right here. For my foundation today, I'm going in with my favorite foundation, which is the Lancome Teint Idole. And right now I'm going in with my brush from K&F Cosmetics. Ever since I started using this brush, I have not stopped, just because it's very sleek. Like, first of all, it's very sleek and small and just so presentable and easy to use. So what I do is I just drag the foundation. Some people just actually do this, but I don't do that. It's easier for me. I learned this technique from Makeup Sheila. If you don't know her, she's a major YouTuber and Instagram model. You should check her out if you want to learn more about makeup, you know, tricks, easy tricks and tips that you can achieve flawless makeup. You can follow her channel. Like, so what I'm doing now is I'm just setting my entire face with a powder. I usually don't do this, but I just feel like I look oily maybe on camera, but I really look okay via the mirror. So right now I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and I'll use two concealers today. I know I just got this one, but I like it because it's very easy to blend, and then this one has that really yellow golden undertone that every melanin beauty needs in their life. So yeah. For me, I don't like concealing my forehead because it's already too big, and you conceal the parts on your face where you want the light to hit on. Like, you want, what am I saying? You conceal the parts on your face that are usually highlighted at the end of your makeup, if that makes sense. So I'll go in now with a little bit of my LA Girl concealer as well, and I just add. And I'll go with a little bit of that concealer on my eyes because I always like using my concealer as a primer for my eyeshadows. And next, I'm going in with a damp beauty blender. Of course, I prefer my beauty blender very damp because it helps with the blending process. So I'm just gonna blend everything. Sometimes I go in with my foundation brush just to make everything smooth and wipe off any harsh lines. And for the sake of this video, I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, because definitely this is the best translucent setting powder out there that I know out of my experience. And I just set everything. And usually, sometimes I give myself a little bit of a reverse contour by just applying some of the powder here. And people like to bake intensively by letting the powder sit on their faces for like 10 minutes. For me, no, that's a no-no for me. I just don't like it. I feel like I look so washed up after that process. So what I do is immediately I go in with my contour. And if you have been on this channel, this is my favorite part of makeup. I like contouring because I just keep everything snatched. And I always use my blush. This one is from MAC and it's called Film Noir. This is what I just do. It's a blush actually. For me, it's easier to use this blush because first of all, it's always on my dressing table. Each time I reach out for something to contour. I always find it. And then secondly, I don't like using oily contours. Like I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. It's very nice. It's not that oily, but it's also not dry. So I just prefer this one. This powder, I contour my cheekbones. Anyways, I don't have a reason to contour my under neck because I don't have a double chin yet. And then for my nose, I just take whatever is left on the brush and I contour my nose. This is the favorite part of my face that I like contouring because it's really big. I have a very big nose. So did you see how I just snatched my nose? I just snatched my nose just now. I'm quickly gonna dust off the excess powder from my face. And voila, I'm just quickly gonna do the rest of my face and then I'll be back. Rest of my face is my eyes. I'm going to church, and then my highlights, and yeah, see you guys in a bit. So guys, this is the complete look. I just did something simple on my eyes. You know, it's Sunday and we try to keep it very minimal. So yes, this is my highlight and contour routine. Like, of course, if I'm going to school or to an office, this is not how I'm gonna do my makeup. This is quite heavy for me. So but my routine, I feel like, is the simplest and it's the easiest. I always go with the principle of less is more. Don't use more or much product if you don't know how to handle makeup. That's my advice. Even for me, I try to keep it very minimal. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Tell me what you think about this routine. Is it simple enough that you can try, or is it similar to yours? Let me know in the comment section below. Let's interact. Yeah, please like the video and share. Continue to come back. I'm going to church, so yeah, God bless you all. God bless you all today because I'm going to church. Really, God bless you all. Stay pretty, stay slaying, and always smile. See you in my next video, and bye guys.